Hello everyone. If you're here, it's probably because you're looking for healthy and effective ways to lose weight. It can be difficult to know where to start and what to do to achieve your weight loss goals. Fortunately, there are several approaches that have been proven to help people lose weight in a healthy and sustainable way. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 approaches, ranked from least effective to most effective, to help you determine which methods may work for you. Ready to discover the secrets to successful weight loss? Let's go! Establish a regular exercise routine. Engaging in regular physical activity can help burn calories and maintain good physical fitness, which can be a key part of supporting healthy weight loss. Get enough sleep. Having a regular sleep schedule can help regulate hunger hormone levels and control cravings, which can be a big factor in weight loss. Find support. Support from friends, family, or a support group can help keep you motivated and on track, which can be a key part of maintaining long-term weight loss. Avoid processed foods. Limiting processed foods can help reduce your total calorie intake, which can be a key component for weight loss. Eat nutrient-dense foods. Focusing on nutrient-dense foods, such as vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and whole grains, can help you feel full and maintain a healthy weight. Limit sugary drinks. Limiting sugary drinks can help reduce your total calorie intake, which can be a key component for weight loss. Have a positive attitude. Having a positive attitude and focusing on making progress can help you stay motivated and keep making progress towards a healthy weight. Follow a balanced diet. Following a balanced diet that includes a variety of healthy foods can help maintain adequate caloric intake and support healthy weight loss. Avoiding restrictive diets. Avoiding restrictive diets can help avoid cycles of weight restriction and regain, and support long-term weight loss. Be patient. Being patient and making progress slowly but surely can help avoid frustration and support healthy weight loss in the long run. Congratulations on completing this top 10 weight loss video. We hope you found the information useful and inspiring to achieve your weight loss goals. Remember that weight loss is a long-term process and persistence and patience are key to success. So pick the approaches that work best for you. Put them into practice, and don't forget to celebrate your accomplishments, big or small. With determination and commitment, you can achieve your weight loss goals and feel better about yourself. So stay motivated, keep moving forward, and never give up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips and inspiration. Pro Top 10.